Good morning, everybody. छोटे दाऊजी बोलते हैं गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी. Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, everyone. Diyan, Shinaya, Avishani, good morning.
Ma'am,
Yes.
मैंने आपको ढूंढा था.
तो मैंने आपको बोला गुड मॉर्निंग शिनाया.
मैंने आपको घर में देखा था कि आप नहीं थे.
अच्छा नहीं थी मैं. कोई बात नहीं, मैं आज आपको मिल जाऊंगी. ओके ओके.
You are in school.
Yes, I am in school. Diyan, how are you?
Okay. चलते हैं स्कूल आज भी.
Diyan, what are you eating? Diano? Diano, talk to ma'am. Diano.
Cottage paneer. I am eating cottage paneer.
Oh wow!
Cottage paneer.
You are eating cottage paneer. You like paneer? Diyan, you like paneer? आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है? You like it? Yes.
Zoya?
That's wonderful.
See, ma'am, yes or no?
Hey Zoya.
Beta.
Yes.
Like this. Zoe? Good morning. Say hello to Zoya.
Very good
Say
morning.
hello, Zoya. Good morning, Zoya. Good morning, Zoya. No.
बच्चे बोलते हैं ना जब वो खाए तो बोलते हैं ना तो बोलेंगे
Good morning, friends.
गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड.
Who is saying good morning, friends?
गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स.
Okay. Tell ma'am. Stop.
You have got a sandwich, Diyan? You have got a sandwich? I saw it, Diyan. I saw it. Wow. Acha, triangle. Wonderful. That's very nice. हाँ.
और वैसे क्या है ये? Which shape is this?
Square.
Very nice.
And when we cut it to two pieces, then triangle. And then we eat it.
Very good. Very nice. Diyan. Okay. And you want to eat it? You can eat it if you want to eat it. Orko, good morning. Hey, Orko.
बच्चे खाने हैं वो ब्रेड.
अरे नहीं खा नहीं रहे जोया. खा नहीं रहे शिनाया. खा नहीं रहे. खा नहीं रहे. Don't worry. No one is eating right now. Orko,
सारे बच्चे
तो देख रहे थे ना.
Say good morning to teacher and then
all
show what
set
you are
to
doing.
make a sandwich, Orko. Do you love making sandwiches, Orko? Yes? Yes or no?
मैं तो मेरे कर दिया अभी से.
Huh. And Zoyu is eating.
वो क्लास में चिल खा रही.
Okay.
Orko. Wow, that's super exciting, Orko. The way you are spreading the cheese, it's very nice. Good.
क्लास में कोई कुछ खाता है नहीं तो क्लास तो सिर्फ लेते हैं.
Acha, Orko, don't make it right now. Let's wait for all the friends and then we'll make all this together. Is that okay, Orko?
Okay. Say okay. Say okay.
Okay, wonderful, Orko. Orko, very good.
Are you not well, ma'am?
I am okay, just bit of cold.
Good morning.
I can see that.
Yeah, just a bit of cold.
Season is changing now.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, Eliza, good morning. Elizu, good morning.
Okay,
Yes, Diyan.
अभी नो देखो तुम्हारी फ्रेंड्स
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Hello, ma'am.
Hey, Adrita, good morning. How are you now? Are you okay? Yes.
Started eating.
Twice, it
Eliza, are you saying something? I couldn't hear it.
I'm
Just a second, ma'am. हाँ, just a second. बस 1 minute. Just a second. हाँ जी, 1 second. हाँ जी, please now speak. हाँ जी.
I was just saying that यहाँ पे देखो क्या कर रही है सैंडविच बनने से पहले इसमें सैंडविच
No,
फटाफट बन जाता
everyone has started eating. Even Dian is eating, and this Zoya is eating, and Orko has already started with making of sandwich. So that's okay. कोई बात नहीं.
Mummy is very upset.
So everyone, now let's join our hands and pray to God. Then we'll make sandwich. Okay? Everyone, join your hands and close your eyes.
You're going to know them again.
Join your hands. Arko, join your hands beautifully, please. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Om Bhur Bhuvaswaha Tatsya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om. Dear God, thank you for a new day. Help me to be kind and good. God bless my family, my friends, my teachers, and everyone. Amen. Everyone, open your eyes and hands down. Hey, Riyansh, good morning.
Thank you, ma'am.
How are you, Riyansh? You're welcome, everyone. Riyansh, how are you? Okay. Hey, Riyansh, how are you? Who wanted to talk to you, Riyansh? So sorry, I couldn't pick up the call. Riyansh, good morning. How are you? Are you good? Yes? Everyone was missing you, Riyansh. Why were you not here last week? Everyone was missing you very much. Are you okay? Say yes, ma'am, I am okay.
I'm okay too.
Oh, I do that. Yes, I know you are okay too. So, Riyansh, are you happy? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yes, that's wonderful. That's wonderful. Okay, so now everyone, open up that smile, Riyansh. Okay, so today what we are going to do, everyone, is we are going to learn a shape. Though we already have learned it, but then we are going to revise the shape. Okay, so everyone, can you look here, the flashcard? Can you see the flashcard? It is what is the shape? This is known as square. What is it called? A square. Very good, Orko. I can read the lip sync. Square. Exactly. Oh, and Riyansh is showing us the sandwich. Yes, that is of square shapes. Riyansh, very nice. So why we have got today bread, and see, Adrita has got a square shaped plate.
Mom.
You beautiful, Adrita. So what we are going to do is, Adrita is going to monitor every one of us that how we are going to make a sandwich. Though those who have already started eating it, that's okay. But rest of you can prepare a sandwich, and Adrita will see that what all things are there and what all things they are putting. Okay, Adrita, will you do that for ma'am? Yes? Will you do that for ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, so everyone take out your breads, everyone, and show it on the screen, and you can start making the sandwich. Shania, that's okay, you can eat it. Okay, if you have more breads, that's okay, but if you want to eat it, you can eat it. Okay. Ha Dian, I am listening to you. Just a second. Ha Dian, ha bolo. Yes. अच्छा,
Then the brand बनूंगा मैम.
अरे कोई बात नहीं, कुछ नहीं होता. आपका पेटू भर गया. यू टेल मी दिस. आपका टमी फुल हो गया है?
Okay, mama.
हाँ, टमी फुल हो गया है ना? So good. That's okay. So everyone, where's your bread? And everyone start making it. Okay, place a bread. Okay, Orko has already spread the cheese on the bread. Yes, Orko. And Eliza is making. Wow, Adrita, look at Eliza's screen. She is placing tomato and cucumber. Is that so, Eliza? Is that the cucumber? Okay, wonderful. Yes, and Adrita also have a cucumber. Cucumber is a vegetable. Yes, and tomato is a vegetable. Orko, did you make the sandwich and you have started eating it? Yes? Yes, Orko?
Yes.
Yes?
मैम माम ने देख रही.
Ma'am is here only? Okay.
You can
Yes, now those who have made it, what you can do it, you can spread chutney, jam or cheese over the bread and place the vegetable like Orko is placing the vegetable and the cheese. Is that only the cheese, Orko? Okay, wonderful. And Orko has already made it. Adrita, can you see Orko's sandwich? Yes?
see Orko has
See,
made
Orko has already made a sandwich and Priyansh has already made a sandwich. Avi, Shani? Avi?
Me.
How okay, Dhyan, I am looking at you. Yes?
Me मैंने तो.
That's okay.
We have already ate.
Avi, Shani's mother?
Yes, ma'am, they've already ate it, their sandwiches.
Oh, that's okay.
They don't have any patience to wait.
I understand. Everyone has finished it. Almost everyone has finished it. That's okay. Good one.
Before coming to them, they've already ate it.
That's okay. Completely okay. That's okay. So everyone, Adrita, you can see Zoya also. She's spreading the jam so beautifully on the bread, Adrita. Yes? And Orko is enjoying his yummy sandwich with lots and lots of cheese, isn't it, Orko? Yes. And Pransh is also enjoying his sandwich. So the bread,
Come this side.
the bread is of square shape. Ishan, good morning. Ishan, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you, Ishan?
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Very nice. It is so good to see you, Ishan. Ishan, what we are doing is we are learning. Okay. So आप सबकी screen में we are learning the square shape. Okay. Ishan, we are learning the square shape. So what everyone is, Ishan, सब क्या कर रहे हैं आपको पता है? सब बना रहे हैं sandwich.
We are making sandwich.
Everyone is making a sandwich. Okay. So sandwich ka bread is of which shape? Sandwich ka bread is of square shape. ये कौन सा shape?
What is this,
This
Ishani?
square shape. Which shape is this? Ishani, this is square shape. Yes?
Ishani, what is this?
Ishani? Ah, very good. So, Yes, this is a square shape. Exactly. And then bread is of square shape. Adrita, will you show us the square plate? Can we show it to Ishan? Yes. See, Ishan, can you see the square plate at Adrita's screen? Yes. She is showing us the red or pink, red colored square shape. Yes. Ishan, okay? Okay, so everyone, once you have prepared the sandwich, you can eat it. And Riyansh will tell me how does the sandwich taste.
Okay, my
How was
sandwich
the
is
taste of the sandwich?
हाँ, no. आप बैठो. You sit here.
Okay. Ishan, you
पापा
sit
लेके
down
आएंगे.
and you can see everyone else preparing it. Riyansh, come on, tell me. How is the taste of the sandwich? Is it sweet? Yummy. Okay. So the sandwich of Riyansh is yummy. Okay. Now
Tomato
Tiana will tell
yummy.
me how is the taste.
Orange is yummy.
Yes, ma'am.
I am asking you only. Bolo. How is the taste of the sandwich?
Yummy. Yummy.
Yummy. It was yummy. Okay. So was it sweet or was it salty? How was it? Sweet or
Was
salty?
it sweet or salty?
Tell me.
Salty.
Sweet or salty?
Salty.
Salty.
Sweet.
Okay, then tell. Sweet. It's me.
Sweet. Okay,
Sweet and
that's
salty mix.
nice. Okay, very good. Now, Orko will tell me. Orko, will you tell ma'am how does the sandwich taste? How's the taste of the sandwich, Orko? Say it. Ayo, Orko, you look so good while eating, Orko.
Salty.
How is it? Salty. Okay, now eat it. Aram se eat it. Good. See, Ishan is showing us the cheese, the slice of cheese. Very good, Ishan. And Ishan, can you tell me what is the shape? What is the shape? Square. Exactly. That is a square. That is a square. Wonderful. Very good. Good. And Shinaya, can you tell me how is the taste of the sandwich? Is it sweet or salty? Okay, it is yummy. Okay. She is showing like this that it is yummy. Okay, and Aliza is also eating a sandwich, isn't it, Aliza? How is it, Aliza? Is it yummy? How is it? Sweet, salty? How is it? Tell me.
Bolo, Aliza.
How is it? Sweet, salty? Yum? Is it yummy?
Yeah.
नहीं. Aliza, teacher is talking to you. Don't do. Talk to teacher. Tell how is it? Is it tasty? Is it salty or sweet? Salty.
Salty. Okay. So everyone, even Zoya has prepared a sandwich, isn't it, Zoyu? Acha, you were spreading jam or cheese? Zoyu, speak. Okay, you were spreading jam over the bread. Orko, can you see the jam Zoya is spreading on the bread? And peanut butter. Okay, that's yummy. Wonderful. Can you see, Orko? Can you see, Adrita? Can you see the square sandwich Zoyu is making? Can you see it?
Orange.
No.
This is how you spread.
That's wonderful, everyone. Good efforts, everyone. Orko, are you full now? Tummy full ho gaya, Orko? Are you hungry? Or are you hungry? Or tummy full? Tell me, is your tummy full?
रुको ये खा लो पहले फिर. ये फिनिश. चलो इसके ऊपर
अच्छा, Riyansh.
इसे हाथ से काट के पकड़ो. अब इसको उल्टा करके. सच्चे.
Salad.
Riyansh, where did you go? I was muting everyone. I wanted to talk to you, Riyansh.
Come
I
back.
saw the sandwich, Zoya.
जोर से बोलो.
Yes, Zoya. Now you can eat it. Now, if you feel like eating it, you can go ahead and eat it. And you have made very beautiful sandwich, Zoya. Do share it with me also, okay? When I come to your home, no, do share it with me also, okay? Okay.
Ma'am, she knows how to make pizza and roti as well. can make
Wow,
it too.
Zoya, wonderful. So will you teach ma'am? Ma'am doesn't know how to make pizza. Will you help ma'am? Teach her? Yes? Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I'll help you.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay, you can eat it.
Eat it. If you want to eat it, so you can eat it. And Ishan is also eating a sandwich. That's wonderful, Ishan. Very nice. So what we did today is we learned to make a sandwich first of all, and then we learned the shape of the bread slice. And what is the shape of the bread slice? It is square in shape. What is the shape of a square? What is the shape of a bread? It's square in shape. Okay. Now Riyansh is here and I wanted to talk to Riyansh. Riyansh, can you please unmute yourself? हाँ करो. Very good. So Riyansh, now can you tell me what is the shape of a bread slice? जो आपने अभी sandwich खाया, what was the shape of it, Riyansh?
बोलो. What was the shape?
Square.
Very good. And what is the color of your t-shirt that you're wearing?
Yellow.
Okay, wonderful. And what is the color of the sweater ma'am is wearing?
Red.
Okay, pink have thoda reflection hota hai, but that's okay. Red, pink, both ways work. Okay, wonderful, Riyansh. Good. That's very good, Riyansh. Good. Acha. Now everyone is done with it. Everyone has done with the sandwich. You can drink water and relax for a while. You can drink water, everyone. Ishan has also finished the sandwich. Yes, Ishan? Good boy. Very good. Very good. Okay, now drink water, everyone. Thoda sa drink water. And
I made sandwich.
and Orko. No, Adrita, we'll eat sandwich after a week, okay? Ma'am is also not well and you're also not, okay? So ma'am and Adrita will eat sandwich afterwards. Okay, Adrita? Okay? Say okay, ma'am.
Yes, then tummy will not get upset. Yes.
Okay? So yes, ma'am.
So what have you made now? Just tell now. You just made what?
Cucumbers.
And
Tomato.
So everyone is back? Okay, so now what we are going to do is today we are going to learn a concept of long and short. Those who are eating can eat it. They can just listen to ma'am. Okay, you can eat it and listen to ma'am. Okay, Orko. Okay, Shanaya. Okay, wonderful. So which one is short and which one is long? We are going to learn that. Okay, everyone. So I have two types of scale with me and I'll show you all which one is the long one. कौन सा लंबा है और कौन सा छोटा है. So lamba is long, chota is short. Okay? Okay, Orko, understood? So yes, ma'am. Okay, so look here, everyone. This is the long scale that I have. Can you see, everyone? The long scale. And this one is the small scale, the short one. So the long scale and the short scale. Dian, can you see the long scale, Dian? Dianu, can you see? Dianu, can you see the long scale? Yes? Is it visible? Yes? Okay. And this one is the short one. This is the short one. So long and short. Okay, everyone. So what you have to do is today, I'll give you some time, and then you have to go around in your house and find out one long object and one short object. Okay, everyone, so go around in the house and search for a long object first. Go. Everyone go and find the long object. Run and go. Dian, go find out the long object. Riyansh, go stand up and search for a long object. Shinaya, go. Elizu, search for a long object. Adrita, search for a long object. Avishani, Avi, Ishi, listen. See, can you find out a long object for ma'am? A long object? Yes? Okay, Eliza has got a long object. Wonderful. Okay, Shania has also got a long object. Nana has also got a long object. Wonderful, everyone. Diane has also got it. Wonderful. And Zoyu has also got a long and a short object. Wonderful. Okay. And Priyansh has also got a long and a short object. Wonderful. Very good. Very good, very good. And where did Orko go? Orko has gone for a search hunt. Very good. Now, okay, Orko is here. Orko, what did you got?
That is
Orko?
the biggest tool. Yeah, wow.
Okay. Cool. See, Ishan has also got a long and a short form. Okay, wonderful, Ishan. Very good. Okay, now everyone show it on the screen like this to ma'am. Like everyone can see each other's object. Zoyu is showing, Eliza is showing, Riyansh is showing. Okay, very nice, everyone. So, Orko, where did you go? Orko, come and sit down, please, Orko. Sit. I can't see like that. Sit down. Okay, now I can see. See? Okay, wonderful. Orko has got same like mine. Yeah, Orko, high five. See, everyone, wonderful. So, this is a long and this is shut. Long and shut. Okay, everyone. Hope you all understood. Yes? Say yes, ma'am. We understood the concept of long and shut. Yes? Now, what we are going to learn is, we are going to learn one more concept, that is big and small. Big and small. So, ma'am, exactly, Ishan, big and small. So, what I am going to show is a big book and a small book. So, this is a big book and this one is a small book. Yes, everyone, can you see the big book and the small book? Yes, big and small. Yes, big and small. Yes. So, okay. So, now what you'll do is you will show ma'am on Friday that what all big. Okay, Ishan has already got a big and a small object. Very nice, Ishan. Exactly, that's correct. Big and small. And see, Shania is showing us a big teddy bear. Yes. And Diane, are you showing us a big water bottle? Is that so? Oh wow, and everyone see on Zoya's screen she has got a big cup and a small cup. Riyansh, can you see the big cup and a small cup? Yes? Hey, everyone. Okay, and Riyansh is also showing us his. That's wonderful, Riyansh. And you have got a big and a small book also. That's wonderful. Very nice, Riyansh. Yes. Oh, wow. Yes. Diane, I saw a big elephant. Small
पापा ने ये दिया था
Okay.
और आप ये देख कर खेल देखना
हाँ, ठीक है, देख रही हूँ.
और पूरे द्वार
This is a small or this is a small? Which one's a small? And this is a
Very
big one?
good. The smaller teddy bear and the bigger teddy bear. And Adrita is showing us a big and a small vegetable. Is it, Adrita? Very good. So everyone, what you will do today is you will learn big and small again in the afternoon. You will revise big and small and long and shut. Okay, long and short, big, big and small. Okay, everyone, big and small. Okay. Everyone, that would be all for today. So what all we learned? We learned a square shape, isn't it? And then we learned tall and short, big and small. Okay? So what you'll do today is you will revise it all in the evening. Okay, everyone? And don't miss your evening study, everyone. Okay? Everyone should study in the evening for 15 to 20 minutes.
Bye.
Everyone. Bye-bye, everyone. Love you.
Bye.
Love you, everyone. Bye-bye. Arko, bye-bye. Shinaya, bye-bye. Dian, bye-bye. Zoyu, bye-bye. Elizu, bye-bye. Ishan, bye. Adit, bye-bye. Priyansh, bye-bye. Bye. Priyansh, bye.
Bye.
Bye to mom.
Bye.